Loggerhead turtles have a widespread distribution, found in both temperate and tropical waters of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. They are most commonly associated with coastal and open ocean environments. These turtles are listed as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature due to the many threats they face. These threats include habitat loss, entanglement in fishing gear, pollution, and climate change impacts on nesting beaches and sea temperature. Loggerhead turtles are a keystone species in marine ecosystems. They help control populations of their prey, such as crabs and jellyfish, which can have cascading effects on other species within the ecosystem. Loggerhead turtles face a range of threats, including habitat destruction, pollution, coastal development, and climate change. The plastic pollution in the oceans poses a particular threat as they can ingest or become entangled in plastic debris. The carapace of loggerhead turtles is often a reddish-brown color. This coloration can vary, and some individuals may appear more brown or have shades of orange. The carapace is usually adorned with a series of large, bony scales, which can vary in color and may have dark streaks or patterns. These markings can help distinguish individual turtles. The carapace is the upper shell of the loggerhead turtle. It is typically broad, heart-shaped, and somewhat flattened. It is composed of bony plates covered by a layer of tough, keratinized scales called scuts. The carapace serves as a protective covering for the turtle's vital organs. The plastron, or the bottom shell, is typically a lighter color, often a pale yellow or cream. It's not as heavily marked or patterned as the carapace and tends to be a solid, light color. It is relatively flat and provides some protection for the turtle's underside. Loggerhead turtles are known for their relatively large heads, which are the source of their common name. The head houses powerful jaws and a beak-like mouth, which is adapted for crushing and grinding hard-shelled prey, such as crabs and mollusks. This specialized head shape is a key adaptation for their diet. Loggerhead turtles have large, paddle-like limbs with powerful muscles, which make them excellent swimmers. Their forelimbs are adapted for swimming and are equipped with strong flippers, while their hind limbs are used for balance and propulsion in the water. Loggerhead turtles have large, paddle-like limbs with powerful muscles, which make them excellent swimmers. Their forelimbs are adapted for swimming and are equipped with strong flippers, while their hind limbs are used for balance and propulsion in the water. Loggerhead turtles have a short, thick tail that protrudes from the rear of their shell. The tail is used for reproductive purposes, with males having longer tails than females. They have well-developed sensory organs, including excellent eyesight for spotting prey and predators in the water. They can also sense vibrations and low-frequency sounds, which helps them navigate and find food. Loggerhead turtles are air-breathing reptiles and must come to the surface to breathe. They have specialized adaptations for holding their breath while submerged and can stay underwater for extended periods. Adult loggerhead turtles generally have a carapace length ranging from approximately 0.75 to 1.1 meters. However, some individuals may exceed these measurements. Adult loggerhead turtles typically weigh between 90 to 160 kilograms. Loggerhead turtles are known for their long-distance migrations. They travel between foraging grounds and nesting beaches, sometimes covering thousands of miles during these journeys. These migrations are often driven by seasonal changes and the need to find suitable foraging and nesting areas. Loggerhead turtles are strong swimmers and are known for their ability to dive to significant depths. They can hold their breath for extended periods while foraging underwater. Their streamlined bodies and flipper design contribute to their swimming efficiency. Loggerhead turtles may engage in a behavior known as basking, where they float at the water's surface, often near the shore, to absorb heat from the sun. This behavior helps regulate their body temperature and may aid digestion. Loggerhead turtles need to rest as well. They sleep underwater but come to the surface to breathe regularly. During these resting periods, they may appear motionless, floating on the surface. Loggerhead turtles have an impressive ability to navigate across vast ocean distances. They use Earth's magnetic field, ocean currents, and possibly even celestial cues for orientation during their migrations. Loggerhead turtles have an impressive ability to navigate across vast ocean distances. They use Earth's magnetic field, ocean currents, and possibly even celestial cues for orientation during their migrations. Loggerhead turtles are known to consume jellyfish, including species like the lion's mane jellyfish. Their diet may include a variety of gelatinous organisms found in the ocean. Some loggerhead turtles feed on sea urchins, which have protective spines and hard shells. The turtles use their strong jaws to crack open the shells and access the inner parts. Loggerhead turtles are known to consume jellyfish, including species like the lion's mane jellyfish. Their diet may include a variety of gelatinous organisms found in the ocean. Some loggerhead turtles feed on sea urchins, which have protective spines and hard shells. The turtles use their strong jaws to crack open the shells and access the inner parts. Loggerhead turtles are known for their long-distance migrations. Adult loggerheads living in foraging areas migrate to their birth beaches to reproduce. These migrations can be thousands of miles and may occur annually or every few years, depending on the individual. Loggerhead turtles are known for their long-distance migrations. Adult loggerheads living in foraging areas migrate to their birth beaches to reproduce. These migrations can be thousands of miles and may occur annually or every few years, depending on the individual. After mating, the female loggerhead turtle comes ashore to nest. Nesting typically takes place at night. She selects a suitable nesting site on the beach and uses her flippers to dig a hole in the sand. Once the nest hole is prepared, she lays a clutch of eggs. Loggerhead turtles usually lay between 100 to 126 eggs in a single nest, but the exact number can vary. The female carefully covers the nest with sand to protect the eggs from predators and the elements. The temperature in the nest determines the sex of the hatchlings, with higher temperatures generally producing more females. The incubation period lasts for approximately 2 months. When the time is right, the hatchlings begin to emerge from the nest. This typically occurs at night to minimize exposure to predators. The hatchlings, guided by the moonlight and natural cues, make their way to the ocean. They use their flippers to crawl through the sand and dash to the water's edge. Loggerhead turtles grow over the years as they forage in various marine habitats, primarily feeding on a diet of invertebrates, such as crabs and mollusks. It takes many years for them to reach sexual maturity, which can vary depending on environmental conditions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.